Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to lock Solflare Wallet. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Solflare Wallet, and then you just have to tap on this gear icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once you do this, you will be landed on the settings page where you are going to see a bunch of different settings. But among these, you just have to tap on the security and privacy. After doing so, you will be landed on this page where you are going to see this biometric option, and right next to it you are going to see this toggle button. So if you tap on this toggle button, it will ask you to enter your passcode, so you just have to enter your passcode into it. Then you just have to tap on the enable button in order to enable biometrics, and then you just have to provide your fingerprints. Now once you do this biometrics toggle button will be turned on. It simply means that you have successfully locked your Solflare wallet. Then you are going to see the option of change passcode. So if you want to change your passcode, then you just have to tap on the change passcode option. Then it will ask you for your current passcode, and then you will be able to change your passcode. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.